Statistics derived from various researches around the globe show appalling figures about road accidents that take place every day. The need of the hour is safe, accident-free driving. Street Smart is a socially cognizant venture that creates technology-backed traffic and driving solutions for a road-safe future. The Street Smart Simulator is an innovative solution developed to change the face of road adversities. It nurtures skillful driving practices among users. The simulator can be used at driving schools to create an all-immersive experience for the learner. The use of actual hardware components such as the pedals and the steering wheel provide a realistic setup for practice. A 270-degree projector displaying various terrains creates real-life experiences to judge a driver's expertise. Cab companies may also use the Street Smart Simulator to train their drivers before hiring them. Complementary features of the simulator allow companies to check the driver's behavior during the ride along with his attention span. This goes a long way in helping them improve their overall performance and ensuring a safe driving experience for their customers. The simulator produces detailed reports of driving tests to filter out only the most skilled drivers of the lot. The drivers, with the help of psychometric evaluation tools, are tested under various situations to see their level of calmness while on the road. It can also help RTO evaluate aspiring drivers on various parameters uniformly and in a more transparent way. This is important to ensure that only skilled drivers are issued driving licenses. The simulator comes with a specially designed algorithm that allows learners to be evaluated without any bias. Various road safety drives have been launched across the country, laying an emphasis on the importance of safe driving. The simulator can thus be used to develop and improve driving skills among citizens. The custom-built driving test tracks also promote quick decision-making, which is of paramount importance during unforeseen situations on the road. This hyper-realistic virtual driving simulator can be an imperative tool in changing the road safety scenario prevalent today.